At Panjim police station. Honorable CM has called us for a meeting tomorrow. We will place our issues in front of the Honorable CM. DYSP Tushar has been kind enough to get us an appointment, which we will get an appointment. Tomorrow we will meet the CM. We will tell him, we will remind him of whatever was assured to us, and we will tell him that we are unable to carry on beyond 31st May because we don't have the money. So as of now, all the ladies will be sent back. We will also be going. We also don't want to hang around in the heat. Yanga gur bhi chod jata. थोडे जाण अशें स्ट्रेस जाला. सो फाल्यां रावतले आमी सीएमाच्या अपॉइंटमेंटाक. सीएमाक आमी सांगतले सगळे कितें आहा ते फॅक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स आमी फॉरवर्ड करतले. बँक स्टेटमेंट घेवन वयतले, ताका दाखयतले आमचे कडेन कितले पयशे उरला ते. आनी नेक्स्ट स्टेप, I'm sure that we have faith that because CM has given the money, he'll make the orders also get it out to us.
कितलो टाइम झालो तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम फेस करपाक?
हो आता जे प्रॉब्लेम हा न्हू, आता आमी आता सो फावटी येयला 3 वर्सांनी. सो आता सद्याक प्रॉब्लेम ना. सद्याक प्रॉब्लेम इगोचो, पयसांचो प्रॉब्लेम ना. इतल्या वर्सां पयसांचो प्रॉब्लेम आसलो. आता पयसांचो प्रॉब्लेम ना. देर इज नो मनी प्रॉब्लेम. देर इज एन इगो प्रॉब्लेम. That how you have got the budget without we putting the proposal, or how CM gave the money. So that's an ego problem. So we don't look at this as a problem. We look at this as a slip between the cup and the lip. So we will tell this Honorable CM that we are unable to carry forward after 31st May because you have promised us a lot of things. You have promised us DSSY, which we have not got. You have promised us some other grants which have not come. Last year's grants in certain departments, those are not sorted out, leave it. You have promised that money will be paid in advance, it is not happening. And we don't know what else we are going to ask you. But as of now, we would not like to keep the ladies in the buses. It's too hot here. Okay, although the AC is there in the bus, we are leaving this place, Panjim police station. We appreciate PI, Vijay Chodankar, for being patient with us. We are appreciating the Deputy Collector for making some calls. And we appreciate that Tushar Sahib has fixed up an appointment tomorrow with the CM. And we will tell the CM the same thing, that we don't have the money, sir, please find another alternative. We cannot do it. So thank you all. We appreciate media covering this agitation of ours or our demonstration or whatever troubles we are going through. And let us hope that we don't come back to the street for the full year again.
What time this appointment is given to you?
So he didn't tell us. He said you will get a call. You'll get a call. So we will take it for truth that they will call us. Whenever they have said they have called, they have called.
So inmates will come tomorrow?
No, I don't think it is right to bring them out again tomorrow to the CM's bungalow. They must be already tired by now. But let us have faith that the CM will issue the instructions, we'll get the orders, and things will move systematically.
Sir, total कितले inmates आणि
we have close to 190 inmates. We have close to 35 caregivers who stay full time in the home. We have close to 85 staff across our thing. So a lot of cost are involved. We are the only shelter home, only NGO, only whatever you call, having 2 full-time doctors. They are like RMOs, resident medical officers. So we have 1 lady, 1 gent. So that much care we are putting. We have 4 physiotherapists visiting our shelter homes. 31 2-year trained nurses are there in the shelter home. So a lot of cost are involved. And we don't feel that we should be deprived of the budget which has been allocated.
So if the budget is allocated and everything is good in from CM side, what is the need for you to meet? Why now phone call cannot do the trick?
Correct. So let us even to understand that we have told the Deputy Collector the same thing. Why don't you make a phone call, which he made to the Director. Director gave him a reason which I don't want to accept. So basically, since the heat is rising, okay, let us accept what the Honorable CM has instructed to come and visit him tomorrow. Let us wait for 24 hours. But I am very clear that if I don't get my money, if I don't get the orders, we will come back now with 200 people across Panjim with the Kotti, and we will not move.
फाल्यां meeting एक तुमकां जावपाक का other officials?
No, that is a call the Honorable Chief Minister. We are only going to tell the Chief Minister. See, they may have sorted out the issue by now, and they may be telling us something, but we want the orders or we don't want to carry.